Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Nabila Sufi and today I will give you some tips related to iOS 13. So if you're running the Apple operating system with the iOS or iPad OS 13 and above, you will benefit a lot from these tips. These tips are directly related to the Siri Shortcuts, and I will be releasing more series of these, and I would call them how to. Let's start the first one, NFC. A lot of us realizing that Apple introduced the reading NFC into the new iPhones, but how to use them. Today we will put them into action. Let's go. The NFC technology and its adoption by the iOS 13 by Apple has opened the door wide for a lot of creativity and motivation. As an example, I'll show you now how you can turn on and off wireless charger without doing anything more than just tap on the NFC tag. First step to create your own automation is to go to the Siri Shortcuts app. For an easy reference, I have listed all the steps here. Now look for automation, then hit plus at the very bottom. Once you've done that, create personal automation, first choice. Then scroll all the way down and tap on NFC. Get your NFC tag ready. For me, I got some from eBay and it only cost me £2. Once your NFC tag ready, hit scan. Next, you'll see this box popping up. Aim to your NFC tag and scan it. Once you've done that, you will see this box again popping up, asking you to name your tag. This can be anything like living room, kitchen charger. Just pick up any name. Okay. Then next. And then select what is your action would be. In this case, we want to add one of the home accessories. So search for home. Select our home. That's why I name my smart home. And then from there, select any accessory you want. In this case, I will choose chargers. Tap on it. Once you've tapped, it will show on your automation on the Actions tab. This automation will allow you only to switch off or to turn off your charger. Hit next. And that's it, you are done.